Good afternoon, everyone. Again, just keep your mics on mute and just try to compare these. Keep your videos on if you're writing in the notebook. So after doing it, show there. Fine. Wait a minute. So it is a cross check what we learned previous days already on Monday, and this is 3 point now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, Pratyaksh is writing, yes, fine. Okay, Pratha, will you tell us how you compared, Pratha? Pratha Ambekar. Yes, Swara.
Sir, first compare 10th place.
Very good. Why to compare 10th place first? टेंथ प्लेस को क्यों पहले कंपेयर कर रहे हैं आप? Yes, 10th is the smallest or greatest?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
written the answer. Greatest.
Greatest, very good. Now I am just talking to Swara. So all of you keep your mics on mute. Yeah. After that, Swara, next place.
100th, sir.
Very good. So what do you observe? Who is greater?
2.071.
Very good. Correct. Next one.
3.1, sir.
Why?
100 or 10. अच्छा समझिए.
Yeah, why about 3.1? Because the 10th place is
1.
1. Swara, you understood like decimal? What do you mean by like decimals?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the like decimal here? 3.1 and 3.01. Are they like?
No, sir.
Why? How many decimals?
Because 100.
Yeah.
Because 100 place is 1 and there is
There is no 100 place. 100 place है नहीं यहाँ पर. So what we should write at 100th place?
0.
Yes.
Sir, 0.
So then also we can understood that this is 3.10. This is 3.01. So 10 is returned. Okay.
Sir, I have doubt in like decimals.
Lavanya Piturkar. So look here, like means same decimal places. Okay, like means
Same decimal.
Yeah, so यहाँ पे here we have 2 decimal place. Here we have 1 decimal place. So what we should write here?
Sir, the third question is
Third
equal.
is equal.
Sir,
Because
both are equal, sir.
fourth 4.20.
Keep
The third
everyone
question is
on-
equal.
Just wait a minute.
Sir, equal. Fourth one is 7.
Dear student, don't unmute by your own until I take your name. You raise your hand quietly. Otherwise, I will mute all. You will not able to mute yourself. Fine. So don't unmute. Just raise your hand.
Sir, you are not equal.
Yes, Pratyaksh.
Sir, the last answer is 7.165.
Third one. What are the like fractions in third one?
2.
4.2. What we should write here?
0.
Yeah. And the last one, which place you compared?
Sir, it is thousand place.
Thousand
Sir,
place.
thousand place.
Why to compare thousand place, Pratyaksh?
Because one and then 10,000, 10,100,000. The 1,000 place is same and the 1,000 place is different.
You gotta keep your mic on mute. Yutika,
How I understand? Yes, sir.
keep your mic on mute. Okay, fine. So here we have 10 and 100 place answers. That's why we compare 1,000 place and this is greater. Do anybody want to ask in comparison?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Fine.
No, sir.
Arrange.
No, sir.
No,
Arrange
sir.
in descending order. 3.4, 3.04, 3.103 and 3.07. All of you will just arrange it. Now here to arrange, like Lavanya asked, we should take either help of like. Now how many decimal places? 3. So let us make all become 3 places. So where it is not 3, we will write 0. Like here we should write 2 zeros. Here we will write 1 0. Here again 3 places and here again 3. Now everywhere there are 3 places. Okay. Now it's easy for you to understand that the first one will be, let's see how many of you raising your hands. Akruti, Harsh and Aryan Tiwari. Okay, Yuvika, Pratyaksh, Parth, Pratha, Anuj. Rashi, Rudra, Sarthak, Sparsh, Suryansh. Arrange fast and raise your hands. Okay, Lavanya, you answer it. Lavanya Bidurkar.
Sir, sir, first, see the 10th place.
What? Which is the greatest number here? Tell.
Sir, first number is 3.4. Second is 3.103. Third is 3.07 and fourth is 3.04.
3.04. Okay. And how you read this 3 point? Separately we should read. Yes. 3.103. Fine. Now all of you have started doing the addition and subtraction. Okay. So in addition and subtraction also it is very important to arrange and take the help of like decimal. Suppose I purchased this marker. Okay, this marker. What is the cost of this marker? Suppose it costs 50.50. Fine. And I have a duster also here. So this duster costs 105.05. What will be the total? Many of you are writing already correct answer 155.5. But now I have given rupees 500. How much money I will get back? If to the shopkeeper I have given 500 rupees, how much money will be returned? How much money will be returned by the shopkeeper to me? Nityam, unmute yourself. Yes, Nityam, how to do it?
Sir, first we need to add
Yes. After that,
105.
Avni, Nitin, your network is
Sir, we need to add 50
500
100
point.
and get it from 500.
Yeah. So now we just have to subtract. Now who's helped me to collect decimal? Because here 10 and 100 place are not there. So we write here 0, 0. Let's take carry over. 5 become 4. 0 become 10. Then 10, 9. 100th place is 10. So 344.45. Hope you all understood that we should put point and then we can add zeros. If you are not getting, please write in the chat box. So I will unmute you and we will have a discussion. Because all of you are just writing answers. It means you all are getting it. Okay, do the subtraction. 4.07 minus 1.08. Will you all keep your videos on and show me in your notebook how you are doing? I just want to see. Everybody just keep your videos on. Fine. Just wait a minute. I can see some of you. Parth Shukla, Swara, I can see. Okay. Arya and Shreya, show your notebooks. Fine. Lavanya, Bhumi. Bhumi, do the subtraction. 1.8. Bhumi, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
What you will write after 8? 4.07. Then 1 point. After 8, what I should write here?
0.
0. So, ये 0. What is this concept?
2.27.
2.27. 4 become 3. 0 become 10. So 2.27. Kalyan, Rudra, keep your mic video on. Jaya, Suryansh, Dhruv. Okay, fine. Next question. $18 plus 2.58. 18. What is the place value of 18? Okay, Pratyaksha, I can see the notebook fine. Avni, keep your video on. Lavanya, Borute, Vaibhav, Arav, Sparsh. Fine. You may do, and after doing, you just keep your video on for showing me the answer. Okay. जब आपका complete होता है, fine. So 18 becomes 18.00. We all are getting. अच्छा, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स समटाइम अगर मिसकंसेप्शन है तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये 18 को हम लिख देंगे यहाँ पर 2.58 के साथ, which is totally wrong. So it should be 18.00 and 2.58. So 18 is the integral part. There is no decimal. It means 10 and 100 both are 0. .58. Suryansh, where is 0.58? And now we know that we can't say is 58. Yeah, we should say 58. After point, we should break the numbers and speak. So 20.58. Question number 4. 56 minus 18.75. Aryan Tiwari, unmute and speak. Yes, unmute again. Aryan.
Yes, sir.
How you will write 56?
Sir, 56.00 minus 18.75.
Not 75. How you should speak? 18.75. Yes. Now 6 become 5. All of you are keeping one line at the top, as we discussed in subtraction also. Please give one line space so that you can write it in a neat and clean manner. Now 9 minus 7 is 2. Here we got okay. Now this is all about addition and subtraction. So if those who have near to you, आपके पास अगर कोई something, if any article is there, suppose I have this ink water bottle. Yes. Now here also I can see the price. It is in decimal only, 210.00. So such type of things, if near to you, please bring them and try to create a word sum if you can make. Or wherever you see decimals, addition and subtraction, if you can make a word sum, raise your hand. Bring the articles from your home. If you have suppose 2 articles, then you can find total or give some money. Like try to create a word sum on the topic playground. playground, or some of you are coming in evening also for running on the track. Pratha, unmute yourself. What is this
Yes,
article?
sir.
What is this article you are showing?
Sir, number
हाँ, क्या शो कर रहे थे आप अभी? ऑब्जेक्ट
book, sir.
हाँ, बुक पे प्राइस कितना लगा? व्हाट इज द प्राइस?
For 80.00.
80.00. So Pratha purchased a book which cost 80 rupees. Fine. And I have an ink bottle which cost 210.50. What is the difference between the two costs? What is the difference? How much rupees difference is there between these two? All of you try to find the difference. Okay, all of you are getting difference. Fine, I can see. Parth, have you got it? This is not the correct answer.
Sir, by subtracting.
Where you separated, show the subtraction. $80.00. Okay, let me see here how we should write. The bigger one is 210, 210 rupees and 50 paisa. This is 80 rupees 0.00. So now we should do the subtraction here. We got 5, 0, 11 minus 8. How much? 3. 130 rupees 50 paisa. The difference of Pratha's notebook and my ink bottle is 130 rupees 50 paisa. Now, also those who are coming, like suppose if we have those who have smart watches, they may count it. Suppose there are two friends. Here we have A and B. Now, if they are competing in a long jump, okay, so long jump, how much meter? The first one jumped, suppose he jumped 1 meter 15 centimeter, and the another one jumped 725 centimeter. So how much more distance A covered? How much more distance A covered? Try to convert both of them into meter. मीटर में करेंगे हम. We know that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore, 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100. Arya, unmute yourself, Arya. Unmute. Harsh, unmute yourself, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
725 by 100. How much in decimal?
0.725 meters.
You see how many zeros you have? 2 zeros. Only 100 place you want. Yes. So it must be 7.25. How much? And this is 1.15. So let us find the difference. 7.25 minus 1.15. I think B is like a sports person, he's a big athlete, and I don't understand. Yurika, what you want understood, please comment properly. Centimeter to meter, 1 meter is equals to 100. So 1 by 725 by 100. So 7.25. When you divide by 100, it becomes 7.25. Correct. Okay, do you want one more question like this? A and B, let's see. I told you all to bring some of the length of animals, the smallest insect or a bigger insect? Anybody having such type of data? You raise your hand. Two, three. Okay, Pratha, Lavanya, Parth Shukla. Yes, Parth. Say the information which you have.
Sir, by mistake I raise hand.
But why you people not searching for this? Okay, Navya Vadaskar. Navya. Fine, you may write in the chat box also, all of you. Those of you have information. I told one day from the activity. Yeah, use your chat box. You can. World of decimals. Bugs. There are bugs, small bugs, छोटे छोटे जो bugs हवा में होते हैं ना, they are nearly 12 centimeter. Okay, small bugs are of 12 centimeter and ये जिसको हम ये कहते हैं आपका एंगुलर विंगिंग कैटिडेड, राम जी का घोड़ा, यस 300.07. Okay, suppose another insect